Selfridges is one of the most famous department stores in the world, and lots of people know it because of its iconic window displays. Around 130,000 people walk past the front-facing windows on Oxford Street every day, and they need to capture attention, so every 3 months they change. Earlier in 2024, a new series of joke windows were unveiled, and this was done to celebrate traditional joke shops. They also complemented a pop-up joke shop which platformed independent joke shops around the country. But back to the windows. This one had a slipping banana skin, which is a nod to how the performer, Billy Watson, was the first to bring them into comedy. Then you have one which covers the whole window, because it's a pie to the face, which was popular in comic books. Selfridges couldn't forget knock-knock jokes as part of their display, and said the phrase appeared in Shakespeare's Macbeth back in 1606. In one of the windows, there was air, literally hundreds of cans of nothing but air. Now if you haven't been wound up already, you might be by the giant chattering teeth and the several more stacked on shelves behind it. In the next window was a rubber chicken, an iconic prop who was rotating on a chair like some sort of boss with glasses. If you've ever had an awkward chat with someone, you might need to break out some laughs, which is exactly what this display was. Whoopee cushions are some of the best known pranks, and this one was huge. Apparently, the Roman Emperor, Elegbalus, used to place these under chairs of his lavish guests. There was also this large chicken who was deciding whether or not to cross the really small road. Now this one wasn't really a window, but it was either suggesting nobody's funny, or was just waiting for me to stand there. Selfridges also seemed to want to sell fridges in one of the displays, and are taking full advantage of that pun. And last but not least, there were more than a dozen shoes which they must have obtained from a clown's wardrobe. It's cool to see Selfridges do an entertaining makeover of their windows and support independent joke shops at the same time.